Some of the neighbors digging out their car. That's right. Buddy smoking, Mama doing the work. Oh. Attaboy. Big dig. Probably check back in a couple hours, see the progress they've made. Beautiful day. Just a lot of snow. Kids have stopped playing on the roof over there. It's good. Nope, got a couple of furry hats walking around down there. Attaboy. Oh, how are they doing? Oh. Hard to believe there's a car in there, but there it is.